Hi, this is Kadir. Today I show you callbacks function in JavaScript. A callback is a function passed as an argument to another function. This technique allows to a function to call another function. A callback function can run after another function has finished. Okay, so you know that how to call some arguments in function inside function, right? So I will show you that. Then I explain the callback. Okay, so first I am writing here some function. That is a display. Sorry, so spelling mistake. Here writing another function some parent 1 comma parent 2. Okay, here write k is equal a plus b. We're passing the display function. Here write display function, passing the k argument as a value. Okay, here write sum of two arguments, that is so here came output, right? So 14. So this is the process. So inside function, one function calling the as argument, so you know, right? So now explain the callback here. So callback is when you pass the argument as on function, that is the callback. I will show here. Pass is some third parameter, that is the function. That is nothing but this is a display here, right? So display I will pass here. I comment this one. Okay, here pass the display function, right? Here passing the function as argument. Okay, so here write callback parameter. So you write same callback parameter as a function. So this is passing k, right? Here also output is came 14. So this is the process. Remember that here don't mention any parentheses. If you mention parentheses, it's coming error. I will show. So error is a callback is not a function. So that's why you are not using as when you are passing the function as argument, that time not using parentheses. Just remember that one. So we have some doubt, right? Actually, when you are calling it callback functions, right? I will explain that one also. Where callbacks really shine or in asynchronous functions, where one function has to wait for another function, like waiting for a file to load or image load, something like that. So that time using the callback functions. To know asynchronous functions, if you doubt asynchronous functions, I did video also. Please check once, you get some clarity on that. Thank you for watching the video. Keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel for more updates. If you like and comment on the video and share.